Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I hope all of you are fine. Friends, my today's video is a very beautiful design pattern idea base, that how you can design your dresses, how you can design your outfits with the art of hand embroidery, with the help of needlework. Even you can use machine embroidery, digital embroidery and computer embroidery for making these patterns as well. But the beauty is not only limited to this. You can also use these very beautiful patterns for making fabric painted dresses as well. So before going into the further details, I have a simple request that if you are new to my channel or you haven't subscribed my channel, or guys you are watching my video for the very first time, then please don't forget to like and subscribe, and while leaving, do leave massive comments so that we could get to know what you feel about our content and what you want us to share with you on daily basis. Now let's move back towards our detailing. Friends, you can use thread, anchor, DMC or wool, or even you can use sewing thread for making these very beautiful embroidery patterns. The fabric you can use is as per your choice. You can use lawn, summer lawn, blended stuff, linen, organic cotton, silk, raw silk, crepe, crinkle chiffon. Even you can use velvet for making these embroidery patterns. As per your choice, you can use beads and pearls for making these dresses to look more formal and fancy. So for watching more creative ideas related to hand art, needlework, crochet designing, tutorials, beginner friendly articles, girls fashionable accessories, baby dresses, home decor ideas, then stay tuned for the more latest upcoming videos. And if you are watching our video for the very first time, then go visit our channel. We have made different and separate playlists for each and every type of categorization, so that the viewer must stay at ease and get the type of designs of his or her choices of interest. So stay tuned for the new upcoming videos. Up till then, take care.